Well, it's an exciting week for us. It's mid-December. We started Drogon in October of 2020. So now we've done a big push and Drogon is finished this week. So last week we showed you videos and pictures of him shooting fire. And this week as you can see, Michelle behind us, she's cleaning. So we're doing the final cleaning, wiping him down. The boys have been just finishing up. They finished up the shoulders, on the back side of the shoulders. They're all encased and finished, and the skin is done and the welding's done. And they're just working on the top of the legs. So we're building his hips where his legs join his body and skinning that section, putting lifting points in his hips where the crane can lift him from the back. We finished the tail. The tail just needed some belly scales and some side scales and some lifting points. So today I'm actually just welding in some lifting points into the tail so that when the crane lifts him, the tail will balance properly for installation. And we've had a few trucking companies here now looking at the wings of how we're going to support the wings on an angle. It's quite complicated, but we need to, when the wings come off, they need to be supported on the trailer when it's going to Utah. Everything's working as far as the fire system goes. Wow! The last thing that we need to work on is his sparkers. We trouble-checked the whole system last week. We had a ticketed gas fitter come in and inspect my work. We found out that the pilot holes were too large, so we TIG welded the pilot holes closed and re-drilled them with smaller holes, and they worked perfect. And the only thing we're getting now is the fire system works on a key fob, so when you push the key fob down and hold it, that triggers the gas valve to open up for the pilot lights and allows the gas to flow. Basically, it's just a car alarm inside with a key fob to trigger all the actuators that are inside. There's a 12-volt car battery inside the Dragon, along with the propane system that I built, and it has a charging system as well. When you hit the door to unlock it or lock it, that triggers the fire mechanisms, and to shoot the flame out of him is the trunk button. So you just hit the trunk button once he's up and piloted up and running. You just hit the trunk button as many times as you want and he'll shoot flames. So we're pretty excited about that. It's been 2 years, really. It's been just a hair longer than 2 years. And he's finally going to his forever home.